Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have received, I don't know actually, I think this is the Shane Dawson mystery bundle handbag pack. Let me try again. The Shane Dawson handbag mystery pack. That's right. It finally came, so this time was faster than last time. It's been 2 weeks and I'm so excited. It's much smaller than last time because I guess it's the smaller handbag. I was hoping there's a robe in there. I don't think there's a robe in here. Hope nothing is broken. I think there might be a mug in here, tumbler. I don't know. What I'll do is I'm going to get some scissors and we will cut it open. So what I've done is I've cut it open. I haven't looked at what we got, but because it doesn't fit inside the handbag, I can see some of the stuff. So I am correct that there is a tumbler and it's the same one. It's the blue one, but that's okay. So it's like this. So you can see there's a blue one there, and I think I also got the crown pouch. So there's some same things in there. I was wishing there is not the same thing. What else would they have given me? I don't know. I think there's a mug. It's okay. Let's see what we got. So I'll get the handbag last because we know what it is. I really wanted another color, and I actually wrote down that I already got a blue one, but that's okay. That's okay. There's a blue one here, so I won't take it out because everyone knows what it is. But actually, I will take it out. So it's a blue tumbler. I do really like it. If it was heavier, or maybe I'm just tripping. It's not heavier. It is the Shane Dawson one. Oh, that's just my chat. Let's see. There we go. It's really nice. Just put it back in. There is something different here. I wonder what it is. Oh no, I think it's the same. I got the same shirt. He's giving out the same shirt. This is why. Okay. I don't think I'm going to buy any more Shane Dawson's mystery packs or box because they give out the same thing. So again, but this is a bigger one. Lucky I got a bigger one. It's a conspiracy shirt. I've got the same one. But I'll give this to my boyfriend because I got the extra large size this time. Why did I buy this again? Got the same thing. It's okay. Disappointed already, but it's okay. Oh no, he did not do that. He goes a item. It's a Piggy Lanyard. What I've got to do with a Piggy Lanyard? This is cheaply made as well. I thought it would just give me a mug or something, but I don't want this. I don't want this. The other one was better unless I got a bigger bag with the handbag, but that's okay. I'm not really happy with this one, but I know that I got a bag I want, and I got some slime, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4. I knew I was going to get slime. This has got a different color. This one, oh, actually, it's the same one. It's a root beer. This is what color I got. What color did I get? What's this? This is lip scrub. I got a dye root beer lip scrub. Okay, I got some lip scrub, so this is different. I didn't get that last time. Okay, I am happy that I got something different. Shane Dawson lip scrub, so this is new. Got this Shane Dawson lip scrub. Just similar to Jeffree Star, which is fine. Do I think that Jeffree Star mystery box is better? Probably. He's I feel like there's more. Let me try and open this. can't open it. Oh, we've got the box. It's the same one. Please give me a different color. Yes. Okay. It's black slime. I got black slime. This is a different color. I can play with it a bit. Black slime, guys. I'm pretty sure there's one more thing. I think that's an extra. No, they didn't. I thought they bought something else. Oh. Okay. Pretty disappointed with what I've got. What are you gonna get? No. So anyway, I'll open the piggy bag to show you guys. It's not really great. So this is a piggy bag, so I know what this is because I chose this one. So I don't have this cup. Did they give me the wrong one? They gave me the wrong. Did they give me the wrong one? They gave me the wrong color. I wanted the pink one. I wanted the pink one and they gave me a black one. Does this look like a pink one to you guys? This does not look like a pink one to me. I got this already, that's why I chose a pink one and they gave me a black one. Why? I'm very upset. I'm going to email them back now. Bye guys.